Hey Discord, welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and pretty much what this is a flexible light. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular they do call it flex, because for the light itself it does flex, which is really awesome. For the one that we got right here is a 6.5 feet. They do have this available in 10 feet as well, so if you guys prefer 10 feet, get that instead. If you can see right here, they do mention how it does give you guys the option to control it on the app. So if you guys do turn on to the back, right here in the back they do show you guys how you guys can use it. And for this product, allow you guys to use it for your Apple device or Samsung device. And for this product, allow you guys to use it on the App Store or Google Play. And they also mention how you do have the option to use it with Alexa or Google. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do slide it out, right here we do have a box. If you guys do open it, once you guys do open it, that is what the inside looks like. So first the inside right here, they do provide you guys a little thank you card. Underneath that, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. Next, the inside, they do provide some stickers that you can use. And then here we do have another user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And see how the inside, they do show you guys how to set it up for different patterns or different design if you guys want to. And underneath that, we do have the product, and we do have some more stuff underneath it. So let's take everything out. So let's see what's inside here first. So inside right here, they do provide you guys all the mounting accessories for you guys to mount it when you guys do set it up on the wall. So they do provide the screws and also the adhesive tape if you guys want to set it up. And that is everything in a small little box. If you guys take out the big box, inside the big box we do have the cable. So take it all out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So here we do have the flex light. Right here we do have the cable. Here we do have the button for us to push to activate it. And supposedly for the product, they mentioned how it has a built-in mic so that we can sync with the music when you guys do use it. Right here we do have the in-ear light to show you guys when it's on or off. That part right here, they do have the brand name. And then right here we do have the plug. They don't plug in to actually use it. If you see the plug here is different than what I do use. So they do price the correct plug for you to use inside the little bag in the small little box. So what I don't do is put this on and turn it to lock it. And once you guys lock it, that is what the part looks like. If you guys didn't move it, you guys can push right here to release it. So just like this. Very easy and very simple. So that is everything that's included in the package. Let me open this up to show you guys what it looks like. I love the fact that how they do give you guys a strap option for you to keep it organized. If you guys do take this part out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the part looks like. So you see how it's actually very flexible when you guys do take it out. So this side right here will be the back, and this side will be the front. So right here is where the light can come out when you guys do plug it in. So now I'm actually plug it in to show you guys what the part looks like if you guys want to use it. So if you see how once you guys do plug it in, it turns on immediately and looks so cool. If you see how it should give you guys the option to change the different setting on here. It actually looks really cool eventually. So now I'm going to download the app to show you guys what's on the app. So the app they're going to download should be called Twinkly, which is the brand name. Alright, so I'll tell you guys to sign up an account. Let me do that first. So now connect it onto Wi-Fi. So it'll ask you guys to select the device that you do have. And it does give you guys the option to connect to the HomeKit if you guys want to. So the one that I have right here is a Generation 2. And now looking for the device. So now I tell you guys to press the button on the actual product so that we can connect it on Bluetooth. So I tell you guys to press and hold the button until it turns green. Once it turns green, then that means ready to connect. Alright, so I got connected. So now I tell you guys to connect onto Wi-Fi. So make sure to do that first. And when you guys connect it onto Wi-Fi, you do want to connect it onto 2.4 network, not a 5G. And I tell you guys to update the firmware. So make sure to do that first. Now that it's done, it tells you guys to rename the device. So I'll just call it Twinkly. And it gives you guys the option to map the light. So I'll probably you guys some tips in terms of how to set it up when you guys do install it. For the mapping tip, I'll skip that for now because I'm not setting up on the wall. So once you guys are done setting it up, it tells you guys that it's rebooting because it just updated the firmware on here. But you can see this is what the app looks like once you guys do connect it. So there's a lot of different options available on here. You guys can control the different brightness level on here. You guys can change the different colors on here as well. If you guys look on the bottom, there's a lot of different patterns available for you. And there's a lot of different effects on here as well if you guys want to use it. This option right here in the bottom is where you guys can map it if you guys want to make it a certain way. Maybe if you guys want to make a music note or something, you guys can map that onto the wall when you guys do set it up. And the last one show you guys the device you guys do have. So you guys do have multiple of them, you guys can control each one of them. And they also have the timer option for you guys to set a timer if you guys want to. So that is everything that's on the app. Let me test some of these out to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna hold it up like this. Let's try beat. So this would be beat. Let's try carnival. Let's try bright twinkle. So if you guys do space it out, this is what the product will look like. Obviously, if you guys use it in dark setting, it'll look a lot better. Let me actually make it a little bit more darker to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so now that it's a little bit darker, this is what the product will look like in a darker setting. You can see how cool it looks when you guys use it in dark setting. If you guys do use other pattern, let me show you another one. Let's try this one. So this is what the product will look like if you guys use this option. And feel free to play around with it because there's so many different effects. You can see here's another one. And because of how flexible the actual product is, it makes it a lot easier for you to set up, regardless if you guys want to set it in a corner, your wall, or anywhere else, which is pretty cool. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality lights that you can use for decoration, to maybe put a design on the wall if you guys want to use for streaming or just to make it look nice. To also give you guys the option to flex it, to make different design and pattern, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save it on something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.